Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mohammad Munir and I am a student of intermediate part 2nd. I have recently done web development from Arfa Tower and my instructor is Sir 𝐏𝐍𝐘. The project is about cake bakery. First of all, there is an app bar and then we have a banner of delicious cakes up to discounts also, and then some top cards of cakes, then some birthday cakes, and then our gallery, then our about us, and then contact us. At the end we have our footer. Then we have different category of cake: birthday cakes, chocolate cakes, party cakes. We have our contact us page that is connected to database. This is submitted. To check, we go to our database. Different pages also order now. We can also order cake, gallery over gallery. The Alpha Tower is too good, the instructor is too cooperative, and the environment is too good. I suggest you to go to Alpha Tower and this Jordan branch also to make your future safe.